Hello students, today we are going to discuss or learn the binary arithmetic. In binary arithmetic, there will be addition and subtraction. So first of all, we understand the rules of binary addition. Hence, rules of binary additions are as follows. There are 5 rules of binary addition. First one, 0 plus 0 which is equal to 0. Then next, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Third rule, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And fourth rule, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is equal to 1 0 in binary number. And 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3 and is equivalent as 1 1 in binary. So let us understand these rules by taking some examples. One zero of binary is added into another binary number 0110. So what we'll get, it is the binary addition, and that is to be written by adding these numbers. Now this is what 10, first number 10 is added into 0110. What will be the addition? 0 plus 0 is a 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with carry 1. See, 0 with carry 1. Again, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry 1. So in this way, the addition will be like this. It is 1 0 0 0 0. So here, if you consider, if you convert this number 1010, it is 10. And it is 6. So 10 plus 6, it is equal to 16. And here 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 means it is a 16. Hence it is equivalent. Suppose it is a 10 adding with 6. So we will get 16. Like this, you can add the two binary numbers as follows. Take another example. One zero one is adding with 0111, which is equal to, it is 13, decimal 13 added with 7, so it is to be 20. So we will get binary number which is equivalent of 20 in decimal. So as we are adding these two numbers 1101, it is going to add with 0111. What is addition? 1 plus 1, 2, that is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1, which is 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 1. 1 with carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1. So in this way, we are getting this number. Hence, it is 10100 of binary, and it is 16 plus 4. It is code of 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Addition. These weights are cancels. 16 plus 4, which is equal to 20. So this number is 10100. This is what the binary addition. Now, binary subtraction. We learn addition, but what is about binary subtraction? For binary subtraction or subtraction of a binary number, we have to understand the concept of ones complement and twos complement. What is ones complement and what is twos complement? So before going to subtraction of binary number, we have to understood ones complement and twos complement. Ones like this, complement, complement, and here twos complement. So what is ones complement of binary number and what is twos complement of binary number? So definition of ones complement is what? Replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0 in the given binary number. So what is ones complement? Ones complement of a number is formed by changing or by replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. Let us consider an example of ones complement of number. What is the ones complement of? Ones complement of 1001. What is ones complement of 1001? According to the definition, write the given binary number 1001. Replace 1 by 0 and 0 by 0, 0 by 1. That means 0 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 0. So here 1, so you should write 0. Here is 1, you should write 1. Instead of 0, 1. Instead of 1, 0. So this number is a ones complement of 1001, 0110. This is ones complement of the binary number. We can understand by taking another example. Another example. Ones complement of 0101. What is the ones complement? Write the given binary number 0101. Replace 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. Where is 0? Then write 1. Where is 1? Write 0. 1, 0. So here is ones complement of 0101. 1010. So in this way you can find the ones complement of a given binary number. Now another concept of 2's complement. What is the 2's complement of a given binary number? So definition of 2's complement can be write like this. So 2's complement of a binary number is equal to 1's complement plus 1. That means adding 1 in the 1's complement of the binary number, that gives 2's complement of the given binary number. So for example, we can take one example of 2's complement. Example 1. Find 2's complement. Find 2's complement of 1010. Find 2's complement of 1010. First of all, find 1's complement. 1's complement of 1010 will be equal to 0101. Here replace 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. 1 is replaced by 0 and 0 is replaced by 1. 1's complement. Then according to the definition of 2's complement, 2's complement of a given binary number is formed by adding 1 in the 1's complement. This is the 1's complement. Now add 1 in the 1's complement. We can write here a sign of addition. So add 1, it will give 0 with carry 1, which is 1, again 1 is 0. So it is 2's complement of 1010. So this number is 2's complement of 1010. Like this, we can take another example of 2's complement. 2's complement of 1101. First of all, find 1's complement. 1's complement is equal to 0010 plus 1. Then what we get? 1100. So 2's complement of 1101 is 0011. Like this, you can find 1's and 2's complement of given binary number. Now this concept is used in the subtraction procedure. Subtraction of binary number. Subtraction of the given binary number. The subtraction can be carried out, can be done by using 1's complement method and 2's complement method. So let us understand the subtraction of 1's complement method and 2's complement method by taking 2 examples. So we are going to study this subtraction comparatively. Now subtraction using subtraction by 1's complement method and subtraction by 2's complement method. To understand the subtraction of 1's complement and 2's complement, let us consider example. A binary number 1010 and 0011. See, 1010 is a minor and 0011 is a substrate. This is minor and this is substrate. Minor is a number from which the substrate is subtracted. Substrate is subtracted, and substrate is a number which is to be subtracted from the minor. So here it is binary subtraction, as its base is 2, and we are getting the subtraction again, it is in the form of binary number. So here 1010 it is a minor and 0011 is the substrate which is to be subtracted from the minor. Hence we can write the numbers like this: 1010 is subtracted, from this number 0011 is to be subtracted. This is minor and this is subtrate. Instead of doing the subtraction, we convert this subtraction into addition. How it is? This minor you can write as it is, 1010. Now substrate is converted into its 1's complement. So 1's complement, 1's complement of substrate is what? 1100. Now the sign is changing. Actually we are doing subtraction. We have to subtract minor, substrate from minor, but we convert this subtraction into addition by taking 1's complement of the substrate. Now what is the addition? Addition is 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, it is 0 with carry 1. See, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, that is 0 with carry 1. So during this addition of the binary number, a carry is present. A carry is present. So if carry present, answer is positive. Answer is positive. That means this subtraction is a positive subtraction. Now what to do? This carry is adding into this number. So end around carry. End around carry, EAC. End around carry means this carry is to be added into this addition. So we will get 1 1 1 0. So this is what the subtraction, this is the final answer of the subtraction. That means we can write 0 1 1 and 1. You can verify this subtraction by convert this number into its decimal equivalent. This 1010, it stands for 10 in decimal. Minus this number 0011, it is for 3 in decimal number system. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So it is 7 in decimal. Here it is also is equal to 7 in decimal. That means 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. The answer is positive. Here is the case 1. Now in case of, if carry is if carry is absent, then answer is negative. We take another example for the negative subtraction. Example, one zero 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 minus 1100 of binary. We are going to subtract these numbers, or one 100 is subtracted from 1000. The obvious subtraction is also a binary number. Now according to the procedure of ones complement subtraction, write minus 1000 subtract is 1100. These are to be subtracted, but we convert this subtraction into addition. 1000 plus, why it is plus? Because we take ones complement of subtract. Ones complement of what we get? 0 0 1 1. This is the ones complement of subtract. Replace 1 as 0 and 0 as a 1. Now addition. 0 plus 1, it is 1. 0 plus 1, it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0. And 1 plus 0, it is 1. Now in this case, here carry is not present. Carry is absent in this case. Hence, if carry is absent, answer is negative. Answer is negative. End around carry. Here it is end around carry. Answer is positive. Carry is ended around. Here in this case, if carry is absent, answer is negative. Find one's complement and find one's complement. One's complement of this addition. Now what is the one's complement? one's complement. Replace 1 as a 0, 0 as a 1, 0, 0. See, this number is 1, 0, 0, 0 with minus sign because carry is absent. Carry is absent. So here we can write 0, 1, 0, 0. If you convert this, if we convert these numbers into decimal equivalent, this is what 8. It is 12. So the answer will be obviously 4, minus 4. And here this number is also 4. In this way, we can subtract the two binary numbers by using ones complement. Now, another method of subtraction is a method of twos complement. What to do? Take one example. Add 1, 1, 1, 0 is see, subtract 0, 1, 1, 0 from 1, 1, 1, 0. What will be the answer? Obviously answer will be binary, but what is the number? Now here in this case, write minus first of all. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 and subtract is 0, 1, 1, 0. They are going to subtract, but we are not subtracted these numbers. Actually we are doing the addition by twos complement. So what is the twos complement of this number? Minus as it is 1, 1, 1, 0 and twos complement. Here 1, 0, 0, 1 with 1 is to be added. 0 with carry 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0 is the twos complement. 1, 0, 1, 0 is the twos complement of 0, 1, 1, 0. Now addition of these two we get 0, 0 with carry 1, 0 with carry 1, 1 with carry 1. Here a carry is present, answer is positive. If carry is present, answer is positive. Don't care carry. Don't care carry. That means carry does not take into account. So eliminate carry directly and this is the answer. See, 14 minus what is 6, it will be is equal to 8. So here the number is 1, 0, 0, 0 is a 8. So final answer is 1, 0, 0, 0 positive. This is what subtraction by using twos complement. Now another case, if the carry is absent. So let us consider another example. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1011 of binary minus 1100 binary. Obvious, the answer is in binary form. Now write minus 1010, subtract 1100, find 2's complement of subtract. 2's complement. What is 2 complement? 0011 plus 1. 0 with carry 1, 0 with carry 1, that 1. So 1's complement is what? 0100. Now write minus as it is, 1010 plus what is 0100. Going to add these two numbers, 0100, 0 1 1, here 1. Now in this case carry is absent. Carry is absent. That means the answer is a negative. Carry is absent. Answer is negative. If carry absent, answer is negative. Then what to do? Find 2's complement. Find 2's complement of the addition. Now what is the 2's complement of this addition? 1's complement. First of all, find 1's complement. 0 0 0 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2's complement. 1 1 0 0. That means this is the answer with negative sign. It is 3. Here 10 0 with carry 1, sorry, 1 plus, here it will be 1, 1 plus 1, 0 with carry 1, here answer is 2, it is 12, and so answer is 0 0 1